Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54010 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#ascot. So I am going to create one temporary table. So create global temporary table, mark temp, it contains serial number, max, physics and total column. So total column is a virtual column which is the sum of max plus physics. So after executing the query, I am seeing ORA-54010 expression column is not supported for a temporary table. So you cannot have a virtual column or expression column in temporary table. So I am deleting that column. Now I am recreating that temporary table. So now you can see that temporary table is created successfully. This is the fix for ORA-54010.